Today's teaching video clip is for the students of class 5 EVS chapter 3 We Are Special. Chapter 3 We Are Special. In this chapter we are mainly going to discuss about special type of languages that are used by special type of people. So there are two types of languages we are going to study today, that is Braille script and symbolic language. So first of all we are going to discuss about Braille script. The people who cannot see recognize the letters by touching them with the help of a special script known as Braille script. So what is Braille script? The people who cannot see, who are blind, the people who cannot see recognize the letters by touching them with the help of a special script known as Braille script. So the Braille script is used by the people who are affected by blindness. So this is an example of a Braille script. In Braille script there are 6 dots. So in Braille script there are 6 dots are using to write the Braille script. First one A. So we all know that in normal people they are used to write these type of languages like ABCD. But in the case of blind people they are using a special script known as Braille script. And in Braille script A is represented by this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In every numbers or every script there are 6 dots. 6 dots are there. A is written like this in Braille script and B is written like this, C is like this, D, E, F, G. Like all the letters they are represented like this in dot base. In every letters they are represented by 6 dots. There are 6 dots having in every letters. Next, India. In Braille script we want to write India like this. But in normal script we will write that in I-N-D-I-A. But in the case of blind people who are not able to see, they are used to write like this. I is represented like this in Braille script. I-N-D-I-A. So we all know that A, D. So in Braille script all the words or the paragraphs or the letters are written like this. Next one, in Braille script a pointed pen is used to write and is known as stylus. In Braille script a pointed pen is used to write is known as stylus. But in the case of Braille script a pointed pen is used to write that script, that is known as stylus. The pen that is used to write Braille script is known as stylus. So who invented Braille script? Braille script is invented by Louis Braille. Louis Braille found the script that is Braille script. The person named Louis Braille and belonged to France. The place of Louis Braille was France. In his childhood he lost his vision, so he found a special type of language to study. So that language is known as Braille script. In Braille script 6 dots are using and that script is known as Braille script. Next one, symbolic language. Next one is symbolic language. Those people who cannot speak and hear, a special type of language is used known as symbolic language. So till now we have discussed about the special type of language that is used for blind people. Next we are going to discuss about a special type of language is used by the people who cannot hear and speak. That is known as symbolic language. The people who cannot speak and hear, a special type of language is used known as symbolic language. In symbolic language, mostly actions used by hands is symbolic language. Next one is a disease that is known as cerebral palsy. It is important. Cerebral palsy is a disease. Then we will know about this disease. Most of the people are affected by this disease. It is a type of disease. In this disease, all the organs of the body like hands, legs, etc. all right but not work properly. So in this case of cerebral palsy, it is a type of disease, and in this disease all the type of organs of the body like hands, legs, etc. looks, by the looks it is good, but it will not work properly. Due to this disease, the patient's brain has no control on the organs of the body, due to which the person cannot perform a particular activity. In this disease, the main problem is a patient that cannot act a particular activity. If I am affected by this disease, if I want to drink some water, I can't be able to do that. If in front of me one cup of milk is there or one cup of water is there, I am not able to take that. So that is the specialty of this disease. The control of the brain to all of our organs will lost. Because of that, the patient can't able to do any type of activities. So this is the main cause of or main function of this disease or main problem of this disease. So till now we have discussed about Braille script, symbolic language and cerebral palsy. Next we are going to discuss about the filling the blanks questions of this chapter. First one, Braille script was developed by dash. It consists of protruded indications based on dash dots. Braille script was developed by dash. It consists of protruded indications based on dash dots. So who find or who invented Braille script? Braille script was developed by Louis Braille. Louis Braille is the answer. Braille script was developed by Louis Braille and it consists of protruded indications based on dash dot. How many dots are there in Braille script? Answer 6 dots. So Louis Braille was developed by Braille script and it consists of 6 dots. Next, second one. In Braille script, a pointed dash is used to write and is known as dash. We were already discussed. In Braille script, a pointed pen is used. In Braille script, a pointed pen is used to write and is known as stylus. The pen that is used to write in Braille script is known as stylus. And Louis Braille is the person that who invented Braille script. And in Braille script, there are 6 dots. So these are the main question answers and main points of this chapter. This chapter is over. I am completed all the portions of this chapter and you have to write all the important points including these filling the blanks in your copy and study well. Thank you.